Ba-dum-bum-bum. In this video, I'm going to go over how to do a giveaway, say evergreen, how to do a giveaway to grow your business. This system is going to build anticipation, it grows your list, it converts people into sales, and you can repeat it every month or quarter. And so, how do you get started? First thing you do, step one, is you pick a start date, and you usually choose 2 to 3 weeks out. This gives you enough time to promote it and to get all of the assets and the things that we're going to cover in place. And so I usually like to pick 2 to 3 weeks out. You can do it in 7 days once you've done it enough, but pick a start date. Next, you're going to create a waiting list page. So when you do these giveaways, you make all your money from the leads that come in. And so as you're giving something away, people who are interested, you want to get them on your list and then grow your list. And you want to grow your list in a way where it's all the right people, right? So you don't want to give away an iPad if you're a yoga membership. You want to give away a yoga mat if you're a yoga membership. And so you want to give away something that's aligned with your core offer. And then you need a very simple headline page or very simple waiting list page. A headline, a countdown timer you don't need, but if you have a countdown timer, that's good. And then an opt-in form that just has name and email. And so you got to create this first, and then next you create your thank you page. And I like to have an upsell on the thank you page too. So once people opt in, the page will confirm that they're entered. So you're on the list. Congratulations. We're going to announce the winner whenever you guys chose the date, and then offer an upsell. Hey, if you are excited to win this yoga mat, you can join a yoga membership right now for 30 days for free. An upsell that's totally aligned with what the giveaway is. And then it also encourages them to share the bonus for entries. So don't need to do that. I'm actually going to delete that. That adds complicated. Um, but confirm that they're entered and then offer an upsell. And the upsell is always, hey, if you're excited about this thing, if you're excited about this giveaway, then you'll love our offer, our core offer, right? So then next you're going to write a welcome email. It's called your W's email. And so it's what did they get into? So congratulations, you are on the list for the giveaway. Congratulations, you're on the list for the giveaway. When, you're going to say when the giveaway is going to happen. Where, you're going to say we're going to email you the winner on this date. And then why, you're doing it because more people should have yoga mats or more people should, whatever your why is, right? But what all the W's. And then next, you're going to create your countdown images and your social media posts. And so I'm sure if you've watched my videos before, the countdown post should be really easy. So big number, 7 days until, 6 days until, 5 days until. So big number, 7, and then days until, dot, dot, dot. The purpose of the image and the countdown images is to prompt curiosity. And then they'll click on the page and they'll read what's underneath it. And you'll say, there's this great giveaway. Go to my link in bio to join. Or there's this great giveaway. Here's the link to opt in. And so really simple countdown posts. That's what works best. And then some short copy that tells them that the giveaway is awesome. Next, you're going to write the winner email, and you obviously can't write it until you choose the winner. And so that'll be the day of. We use a random number generator to pick our winners. So if we get 100 people on the list, we'll just say random number generator, pick a number 1 through 100. Oh, 76. And you go to the 76th person. They're the winner. You write the winner email announcing the winner. And then here's where you make your money. You say, Jim is the winner, but don't worry, we're all winners. You guys get this special offer, this offer that is aligned with whatever the giveaway is. So again, if you're giving away a free yoga mat, then you might offer a free yoga mat when they purchase a annual membership of your yoga membership. And we've done that exact play a bunch of times. We've given away free bowling balls with the bowling ball company. And then we've given them a free bowling ball when they sign up for an annual membership. And so you want the offer to be aligned with whatever the giveaway is. And that's really, really important. Otherwise, the giveaways are just going to get you a bunch of leads, but they're not going to convert to revenue and profits for you. Step 7, you're going to write a flash sale sequence. So for everybody who did not win, you're going to introduce your new offer with email 1. You're going to say the offer is going away too soon with email 2. And then you're going to say last chance to grab this offer with email 3. And then that builds the sense of urgency for them to take advantage and actually get their credit card out and pay you. And then step 8 is repeat the cycle. So run it every month, every quarter, run a giveaway. Each time you do it, it's going to grow your list, it's going to promote your offers, and it's going to keep your audience engaged. And so that is the free training for the giveaway funnel. Just to recap, pick a start date, create a waiting list page, create a thank you page and an upsell, write your welcome emails, create countdown images and social posts, write the winner email, write the flash sale sequence, and then repeat. And if you want to learn how to do these strategies in your business and you want to work with me directly, you can join my membership Accelerator School. It's $99 a month, but I will be here for you every day from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. to answer questions. And then we've got some trainings about how to do things like this irresistible giveaway funnel, which is what you're watching right now. And so I hope this was helpful and have a wonderful day.